You're not supposed to do that, kid. Oh, it's one person on. What?
My front handle's getting off.
Is there any cool ones of mine? They were taking photos of this jump. That wasn't my best jump. Yeah, those ones there are good ones. Yes. There we go. Oh.
I'll get some of you.
I got my GoPro. Huh? Yeah, maybe you just gotta be very careful. Yep. Jared and then
I mean, they are in the air longer than I am.
I can't actually tell if I'm getting any like a good angle of this, but that's fine. You'll see something.
Yeah, see, that's like the smallest jump of them all.
Yeah, because you're going around a corner.
And it's also just not as steep.
It's okay, they were slowed down by the kids. Whoa! Jared's for the overtake.
Overtaking. Oh, and
Hayden's for the overtake.
They're going the short way. No, long way. Oh no, they're separated.
Oh no! Okay, here comes Hayden. Wait, no, that's not Hayden. That's not Hayden. Where is... Oh, Hayden must have stopped.
Where is Hayden? Where is
What? Where?
Hayden didn't overtake.
Oh. Hayden's stuck. Get him, Hayden, get him, get him, get him.
Is this Jared coming up here?
Yes.
Okay, I think Hayden's gone the short way. so did all the kitties.
Oh, is that?
Hayden's in the
No.
back one.
There's that guy wearing the same colour shirt. Gets me every time.
Oh, Hayden's going around.
Oh, he's overtaking. He's going for the overtake.
And Jared's going to come to here. Oh, it's on me, got it. There's Hayden.
Where's Hayden? Oh, there. Jared must be back. Jared's... I think he's waiting for Hayden. Yeah, he's waiting for Hayden.
It'd be cool if we can get both of them jumping at the same time.
Yes.
Jared stopped. Oh no, he's back.
Yeah, he was waiting for Hayden. There's Hayden, there's Jared. Oh, and Jared's already got ahead now again.
Jared's so photogenic with his...
Cool. And you got Hayden in the back.